Hey, Lily, did you know that in 2025, the UK will celebrate a holiday where people chase a wheel of cheese down a hill?
What? Are you serious? That sounds crazy and dangerous.
I'm totally serious. It's just one of the many unique traditions we'll discover as we explore UK holidays for 2025.
Now I'm really curious. What other wild traditions do they have?
Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a whirlwind tour through the UK's 2025 holiday calendar. From ancient customs to modern festivities, we'll uncover it all.
This sounds awesome. I bet our viewers will love learning about these holidays too. It could really help anyone planning a trip to the UK in 2025.
Absolutely. Whether you're planning a visit or just curious about different cultures, this guide to UK holidays in 2025 will give you insights you won't find in typical travel guides. Ready to dive in?
Let's do it! Where do we start?
We'll go through the year chronologically, starting with New Year's Day and ending with Boxing Day. And don't forget, we'll have some fun quizzes along the way. Okay, first up is New Year's Day on January 1st, 2025. It falls on a Wednesday, giving everyone a nice midweek break to start the year.
Oh, that's cool. Do they do anything special in the UK for New Year's?
Well, in Scotland, they have this crazy tradition called a first footing. The first person to enter a home after midnight is said to bring luck for the coming year.
Really? So, do people just barge into random houses?
No. It's usually a friend or neighbor. And get this, traditionally, it should be a tall, dark-haired man bringing gifts like coal, shortbread, and whiskey.
Coal? As a gift? That's weird.
It's symbolic. Coal represents warmth for the house. But I guess these days, bringing a bottle of wine might be more appreciated. Next up is Good Friday, which falls on April 18th in 2025. It's a bank holiday across the entire UK.
Good Friday? What's good about it?
It's a Christian holiday commemorating the crucifixion of Jesus. But here's something interesting, in some parts of the UK, people eat hot cross buns on Good Friday.
Hot cross buns? Like in the nursery rhyme?
Exactly. And there's an old superstition that says hot cross buns baked on Good Friday never go moldy.
Really? I wonder if anyone's ever tested that out. Imagine finding a centuries-old bun in your great-grandma's attic.
After Easter Sunday comes Easter Monday, which is on April 21st in 2025. It's a regional holiday.
Regional holiday? What does that mean?
It means it's not celebrated everywhere in the UK. It's a bank holiday in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, but not in Scotland.
Oh, I see. Do they do anything special on Easter Monday?
Well, there's a quirky tradition in some parts of England called egg rolling.
Egg rolling? Like rolling eggs down a hill?
Exactly. People decorate hard-boiled eggs and roll them down hills. The egg that goes the furthest without breaking wins.
That sounds like so much fun. But also kind of messy. I bet the hills smell like egg salad afterwards.
Next up is the early May bank holiday on May 5th, 2025. It's always the first Monday in May.
Another Monday off? The UK really knows how to start the month right.
It's a popular time for short trips or outdoor activities. But here's an interesting fact. This holiday used to be called May Day and has roots in ancient celebrations of spring.
Ancient celebrations? Tell me more.
Well, some towns still celebrate with traditional May poles, where people dance around a tall pole with ribbons.
That sounds like fun. But also like a recipe for getting tangled up and falling over.
We've got the spring bank holiday on May 26th, 2025. Another Monday off.
2 bank holidays in May? The UK really knows how to do spring.
They sure do. And remember that cheese rolling we mentioned earlier? It usually happens on this day.
Oh yeah. Tell me more about that. It sounds wild.
It is. Participants chase a 9-pound wheel of double Gloucester cheese down a super steep hill. The first person to catch the cheese or cross the finish line wins.
That sounds both awesome and terrifying. Do people actually get hurt?
Sometimes. It's considered one of the world's most dangerous annual events. But don't worry, there are usually plenty of paramedics on standby. Moving on to summer, we have the summer bank holiday on August 25th, 2025. It's always the last Monday in August.
Another long weekend. The UK really likes its Monday holidays, huh?
They do. It's a popular time for music festivals and outdoor events. But here's a fun fact. This holiday was originally created to give bank employees a day to attend cricket matches.
Cricket? Really? I wouldn't have guessed that.
Yep. It's come a long way since then, but some people still enjoy a good cricket match on this day.
I still don't understand cricket. It's like baseball, but not?
Well, imagine baseball, but the game lasts for days, and there's a tea break in the middle. And now we're in the home stretch with Christmas Day on December 25th, 2025. It falls on a Thursday that year.
Christmas is pretty universal, right? What's special about UK Christmas?
Well, one unique thing is Christmas crackers. They're not food, they're cardboard tubes wrapped in colorful paper that make up to crack a sound when pulled apart.
Oh, I've seen those in movies. What's inside them?
Usually a paper crown, a small toy or trinket, and a really cheesy joke.
Cheesy jokes? Like what?
Okay, here's one. What do you call a cat on the beach at Christmas?
I don't know. What?
Sandy Claus.
Oh no, that's terrible. I love it.
And finally, we have Boxing Day on December 26, 2025. It falls on a Friday, giving people a 4-day weekend.
Boxing Day? Is that when everyone boxes up their Christmas decorations?
That's a common guess, but it actually has nothing to do with boxes or boxing. Traditionally, it was a day when employers would give Christmas boxes filled with small gifts, money, and leftover food to their servants and employees.
Oh, that's interesting. What do people do nowadays?
These days, it's known for shopping sales, kind of like Black Friday in the US. It's also a big day for sports, especially football matches.
Wow, what a great way to end the year with an extended break!
Absolutely. And that wraps up our tour of UK holidays for 2025.
This has been so fascinating. I've learned so much about British traditions and customs.
Me too. I hope our viewers have enjoyed this journey through the UK holiday calendar. Remember, whether you're planning a trip or just curious about different cultures, understanding these holidays can really enrich your experience.
Definitely. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos about international cultures and traditions.
And don't forget to leave a comment telling us about your favorite holiday tradition, whether it's from the UK or anywhere else in the world.
See you in the next video.